Da 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 knock, baby. Danang, Việt Nam. Going all around Danang, checking out Danang. Come on, let's see Danang. Da 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 knock, baby. Dang 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 Danang, baby. Dang no dang Danang. Dang dang oh da 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 Danang, baby. Danang. Danang of Vietnam. Oh, Vietnam. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Vietnam. Danang, Vietnam. Do you know where you are? You're in Danang, baby. Danang, Vietnam. That's where you going all around Danang, checking out Danang. Come on, let's see Danang. Da 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 da, baby. Dang 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 Danang, baby. Dang oh dang Danang.
Okay, this particular street is in Danang, not too far from the beach. This is the name of the one that's the main coastal road right here. So this coastal road, you can see lots of tall, there's Radisson Hotel, a bunch of hotels all the way down, 4 Points, Hilton's way down there. And then the waterfront is directly right over there. Maybe I'll show an image for you guys in a moment. And then you have a lot more of these kind of hotels and these tall apartment buildings. And I'm just gonna give you an idea. This is interesting. This is like street information, so I guess I can scan this and kind of find out more about it. So if you want to scan it yourself, you can. But I'm gonna be walking down Morrison. Let me put this on the map, and I'll give you an idea of what it looks like here in this particular street. So let's show you on the map first. Okay, we're in Danang, Vietnam, up on the map, so you can see exactly where we are. So that's the location in Vietnam, and we're going to be exploring all these different streets, and this particular street is going to be there. Let's get right into it, as if you're there yourself. Okay, Morrison, so here we are. We're going to be walking down and just seeing what's on here, and one of the purposes of this is just to kind of give you an idea of what we see. And I guess it feels a little bit empty in this particular space. I think it might get more interesting there. So I'm going to show you some beaches, some idea of the beaches of what's behind us. All right, so let's see some beach photos here. We're still walking around Morrison. This is interesting. Up there it says like Uptown Music, and then it looks like this is like a little food court area that's maybe not so doing so well. Okay. One of the goals just in general is just to kind of give you an idea. So it looks like there's lots of space that's still kind of underdeveloped. This one looks like it's being constructed. So yeah, Danang is just becoming a larger and larger city, and there's a lot of space to fill in still, and a lot of potential. The future looks great. I think it's going to be more interesting up there. We're going to walk all the way to the riverfront, by the way. Still going strong. Now we're kind of coming across, this is parallel to the beach. A lot more traffic, it looks like. We're going to try to get across the best we can. Bikes are kind of moving fast. And now we're on this side. This is Morrison, Danang. So that's lots of sidewalk stuff. Maybe repairing it. Okay. So now we're gonna be walking down this. This street's gonna take us to the river. Check out all the courting there. My Casa restaurant. My friend was just telling me about that. Huh. It's funny. Noodles. Yeah, there's a lot of potential here. This is what it looks like to walk on sidewalks in most of Vietnam. Basically, people park on the sidewalks. So it kind of looks like that. Anyways, let's get further down. Another thing I'm noticing. Oh, this is another little place. Another thing I'm noticing on this street is tour buses. The tour bus just went by. It wasn't filming it. There's another one behind me, and there's one up in front of me as well. That's an interestingly architectural building right there. And now we kind of have these tour buses. Corcovado Wine and Retail. It feels like a lot of this property is gonna just take off one of these days. Like somebody designed a Sasha Casa right here. Beautiful building. There's not, I think one of these days this is gonna be a really amazing city. I feel like it just has to fill in more in some way or another. And it will. Shoes. It's funny. There's nobody here, but I was kind of felt like I needed some Crocs and some shoes. Check out this architectural building. Gangnam Mart, Korean Mart. So I just bought these over here. So now I got some shoes that are better. We're gonna keep on walking down Morrison. Morrison is kind of cool. I wonder if it looks a lot different in the nighttime. There's definitely a lot of Korean stuff here. Nice, beautiful building. Nice balconies. Still walking along here. This is kind of interesting. Some kind of temple. And it's active as well. Beautiful trees too. Sometimes they put like little shrines in some trees. I don't know about Vietnam so much, but in like Thailand in particular. I also see them in other parts of Asia as well. Okay. So we're gonna go across this street right over here. A lot of Korean stuff here. That's kind of a cool looking house right there in the corner. Okay, let's go across. Okay. More of Morrison Street for you. More of Morrison. And I think that's kind of a main road right over there. So I think that one goes to the bridge that goes to the river. And we're just kind of taking it's kind of a random street, but I like the name Morrison. Still on Morrison. Huda. This is the beer that we see everywhere around here. So it's a local Central Vietnam beer. I think it's to be brewed in Danang, I think. For the tour bus. Okay, if you're following it home, this is the next cross street from Morrison. Looks like we have, I don't know if our street's gonna end right here. It might be ending. I think that might be an ending spot. Let me just take a look. I don't know if I can get across there very easily. So yeah, that is not Morrison right there. It's a different street altogether. So I guess Morrison Street ends right here. The Harriet Hotel and Suites is up there. Okay, anyways, that's what Morrison looks like. And it looks like there's all these little things for these other streets, but I didn't see the Morrison one. Let's end it right there.
Da da da